All right. What is good? What is good? What is good? Now it's time to buy. Granted, it was always time to buy, but oh my gosh, we're about to be rich. So we are about to be rich. We are about to be rich. The market is looking beautiful. On the hour is looking fantastic. Granted, this is not the 4 hour. The 4 hour is a very much longer trend. So even if it was 4 hour, it didn't really break this. But I'm taking this off the 4 hour, just off. I'm not saying it's an A plus setup, but it's a setup like, hey, 30 is breaking highs. Therefore, Nas usually break highs. So it wants to break highs too. I love what's happening. I love what's happening. I love what's happening. I love it. So let's go to 30. 30 is already at highs. So what we gonna do? Clone. Oh my god. Delete. Clone high. We delete this because why? It broke out. So boom. So on a 4 hour, clone. This is the high. This is the new high. On a 1 hour, this is not really a high because it's not really going nowhere. So this is the previous high. Granted, we want price to come back down here. We want price to come back down. We want price to come back down. But I love this. Why? Because since 30 went up, guess what goes up next? Nas. And we're looking for them buys. Ooh, this is the best time. This is the best time. So on the hour, granted, on a 4 hour, it's breaking structure. If it does, it's breaking structure. But if it doesn't break above below here and it goes above here, oh my gosh, I got it going past here. So, bro, it is so crazy. So, like I said, 30 is already broken highs. We have to wait and be patient for it to come down. I don't care if it keeps going up. I just have to be patient because eventually, look, eventually it came up, it comes back down to the same spot. You usually do. It always comes back. It always comes back. It might take 2-3 weeks, but this is safe, guaranteed money. It always comes back. So I will be valid to wait one more time for this 30. But with Nas, we could take advantage. Now, I didn't win one trade. I've been going break even for 2 weeks. This is the trade that's gonna make me win. Because Nas is going back up 30. I just been going break even. Look, gold. I took gold today. Break even. Break even. As soon as it tapped here, break even. I was up what? I was up what? On a I was up on this joint, went straight back to break even. Break even. Break even. I just keep going break even. The only one I lost so far today was GJ off the sale. Bro, I be losing on some dumb stuff too. Um, what did I sell GJ at? I don't even remember. I don't even. I think I sold GJ like right. I don't remember. I think I sold GJ like right around here. I don't know. No, cause I sold GJ right here. I didn't. I think I sold GJ around here, and then it went breaky. Yeah, I sold GJ right here. Stopped out, and then it just went straight down. Bro, like, what's good, my boy? What's good? I'm in a little better mood today, but I really haven't been winning no trades. I really haven't been losing too much either, but I'm just trying to. I just think Nas is probably just gonna be the ultimate sacrifice. I'm gonna pass the challenge. Hopefully, I pray I pass the challenge tomorrow, or not even tomorrow. Just let it come up and just keep rising. I could win. I'm at 2,500 on my account. Maybe I could get an extra 1,000. Pass the challenge, and I'm not even trying to joke. In all honesty, it's look like I'm gonna just calm down from the market, to be honest, because the market really not doing too much of anything. And so I ain't buy Nas yet. Nah, I didn't buy the dip. I was trying to I think this was the last dip I bought. I think this was the last dip I bought right here. I bought this and I lost. And then when it came back up, I tried to sell. I went break even. But as I looked on US 30, it's breaking new highs. And then when I went to Nas, it's not breaking here on a 1 hour. So once it go about above here, I'ma just hold until I'ma just hold. I'ma just keep holding. But nah, I'm not in Nas, but most likely I get in Nas. I didn't enter this. I just went break even on Nas today. Actually, I went break even on Nas today, actually, because I sold right here. I sold right here. It didn't hit stop loss and it came back to break even. I just took out. Because I looked at US 30, it just won't going. Gold, this what happened. Soon as it went almost break even here, it did went break even. I got out of this big one, and then I just closed out at break even here, and it hit break even. So I just kept going break even. Nas looked like a super clean buy. Like if it breaks above here, I'ma just buy. I'm just buying. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm just buying. Low key, I kind of want to buy like somewhere. Hmm, even any buys right now is good, but it's showing me it doesn't want to break. So I could buy somewhere like right here, stop loss somewhere down here, and then my TP. No, it has a clean line. Yeah, I'm holding. Like, yeah, I'm just holding. Hold on. Get down, bro. Watch out, watch out, watch out. So Nas, I'ma just hold like forever, low key. Not forever, but I'm most likely just gonna hold for like 2-3 weeks, bro. Like, I don't even want to be in a I'm to that point right now in trading. Like, I just want to hold. Like, I don't even care like about profits, making money, looking at the charts every day. I'm in a mode like, let me just get in the goods. Like, sometimes I wish, sometimes I wish I could just I bought right here and just hold, bro. Sometimes I wish that, but I be trying to make money, bro. Once I'm rich, I know I'm gonna do stuff like that. Like, I'm gonna just buy right here and then hold for like 5 months, bro. Once I'm rich, I know I'm gonna just do stuff like that. Like, it's no point to just keep trying to enter, bro. For me, it's no point no more. So I'm just looking. So what I'm gonna do, because 4 hour, it was a clean buy. It was a clean. I'm not even trying to joke. I tried to buy here. I tried. Granted, I should have bought. I still should have bought, but I'm thinking it's gonna go down. It didn't go down. I went break even. Maybe it went down, but I'm gonna just buy right here. It's a good, bro. This is good. This is good. Cause anything from here, it goes back up to here. So I'm gonna just buy right here, and then I'm just holding until I'm gonna just hold till I pass the challenge. I'm not. I don't care about break even. I'm gonna just hold, bro. I'm either gonna go break even. Or I'm gonna just keep holding. That's it. That's all I see. Yeah, just hold that joint. Cause once I'm telling you, bro, I don't even care. I'm not trying to joke. I don't know if it's breaking rules because I usually just enter in the morning. If it hits right here, I think I'm gonna just enter. I think I'm gonna just enter, bro. I'm gonna just enter and just hold. I'm gonna just hold. Gold. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I think gold just buys now. I was selling gold. It just wasn't working. Because gold is overall long-term buys, but I kept selling gold. It just never worked. I just kept going break even. Like, look how much times I won on buys. Buy, win, buy, win, buy, win. I made money here, still made break even. I never won a gold sell. Never. Sold, break even, sold, lost, sold, break even, sold, break even. So, like, I never won a gold sell. So I'm glad it's going back up because overall, it's long term. It's a long term buy. Silver's starting to look good too. I started looking at silver today. Silver's looking good. So what I'm gonna do with gold, if it could come back down here, or if I go on a 1 hour, yeah, even a 1 hour, it still got to come back down here. I'ma just look for this. I'm just looking for something like this. And granted, I'ma just hold till back up the highs. Maybe I could get something a little bit down here, a little AR. Like I'm not trying to joke. I like how the market's looking right now. I didn't like the sell points. Like when the market was dipping, I don't like selling on like gold, US 30 Nas. I personally don't like it because it usually goes up. But I ain't gonna lie. I might just enter this Nas like now. Like I never entered Nas, but it's like it's to a point. It's to a point I don't even want to miss. I don't want to miss my opportunity. Basically, I don't because I'm telling you right now, Nas is. If I could just do long term, I just want to take 2 long term goals. I want to pass the challenge with the goal. I'm waiting on GJ. GJ's just doing a bunch of bullshit, so I'm not really trading it. Let me see. Yeah, GJ just doing a bunch of bull BS. Yeah, GJ just doing a bunch of BS, so I'm not really. I want GJ to come a little bit down because it's breaking structure, and if it could come back up, yeah, GJ, hell yeah, GJ is boss. GJ is super boss. It's breaking out. I wanted to do a little retracement, but yeah, I see GJ. Like, where could I have bought? Let me see. Let me look at the 4. Yeah, 4 hours. Not really. Let's delete. Let's just delete this. Hmm. Yeah, I was looking to try to buy down here, but it never hit here. That's crazy. Um, Loki, any buys right? Some buy. Wrong one. Buys is good. I'm just not going. I'm not in a rush for GJ. Any buys? Like somewhere right here is good. Let's go to 4 hour. Back up to previous high. Yeah, because it already came back down here. Once it came back down here, it's time. So I'll take something like this. So run it. So yeah, I'm just trying to be patient. Like GJ, I don't want nothing below here. I don't want nothing below here. So somewhere it buys in here. If I go to 5 minute, like this look good because it's not breaking low key. Maybe I could enter somewhere around here for buys. Like even now, I don't. You can enter maybe like stop loss here and still push it up. That might even be a better RR. Like yeah, they kind of the same. They one and the same. I just like I like the 5 minute better one, but I'm not saying the 15 minute ain't bad, but the structure it would just look nasty. Like if it come here, most likely it might just keep pushing down. But if it just shows like resistance, like I like the 5 minute because it's like if it kind of breaks like right here, you can tell it like I might just move the stop loss like a little higher. I like this one right here though. I think about it. I personally think about it. I like the buys though. Silver, I started looking at silver. Silver just going crazy. So my biggest bet is Nas. Once Nas hit this, I'ma just enter. I'm just entering, and basically, I don't really care about trading no more. Like, I don't even want to open the charts every day no more. I'm just waiting on the new year. I just want to pass my. I just want to get a payout. I just want to get this payout, bro. And I just want to take out 2,000 out my personal account. That's it. And then the next year, I'm going crazy, bro. I already got big plans for next year. All right, so I'm gonna just set this joint now, cause yeah, cause I ain't gonna lie, the last 2 weeks I ain't really been trading, or if I did, I just keep going break even. Or I ain't gonna lie, I lost like 1,000 on my account, but like I'm almost back at break even, but I only need 4%, so I'm not really tripping. Like, cause I be thinking overall, I kind of make money. I just don't make a lot of money that I want to make. Like, granted, I made 2,000. I passed a prop firm. I was always up, but it's like, it's prop firm kind of push you down because you're not really making real money till you pass it. And that shit pushes me down. That's why I'm glad I made my own account. But I'm down on that. I lost $400 on that one too. Like right now, I just been losing money or going break even. But I'm happy because I don't lose that much money. I really don't. I haven't won in such a long time. In all honesty, I'm real about my shit. I just haven't won in like 2 weeks. I really haven't. I just keep going break even. Oh, so for Nas, I'm already setting this Nas bar. I feel like the stop loss might be. uh, let's see. I'm not even going. You know what? I'm not even going to put a TP. I already put this. I put this joint. Already put this shit in mode on the prop firm. I'll probably do my real account now. I'm already set this because yeah, I already know because this one trade just gonna make it all. I always be thinking like, damn, I know I lost like 3 times, but I know one trade just gonna make it back because I seen it before. Um, 30, 30 just look, 30 just, oh my God. I can't wait for the retracement. That's all I can't wait for. Like, look, retracement, boom, it breaks out, retracement. I just missed this retracement. Retracement, should have bought somewhere down here. Look, because look, every time I bought the retracement, that's when I win my most. Every time you buy the retracement, look, every time it's a retracement, buy. Uh retracement, buy, retracement, buy, retrace. Bro, the market do the same fucking thing. It just you really have to be patient, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I was upset like the last 2 weeks because I couldn't trade shit. Like, look, I just couldn't trade unless you sold, and every time I sold, I just kept going break even. Look, sell. I won't really trade in 30. Nas, Nas, I was waiting patiently. It came down here. I tried to buy, didn't work. I tried to sell. I was like, what the fuck I'm thinking selling. Soon as it went like back to break even, I said, I'm getting the hell out this sell because I don't want to sell because I know it's a buy. I just and then because this is a little fake out. This is just fake shit. And then I'm like, bro, so anything past here, I'm just buying. I'm just buying. And I'm just holding. I'm just holding gold. I'm a buy too. If it comes, let it come back to this gold zone. I'm just buying. Maybe, yeah. I'll buy twice on this. I'm not even hold. I'll buy like right here. But if it goes down and comes back up and breaks the gold, I'll buy again. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'll buy again this gold joint. So I'll buy right here. And then if it comes down and doesn't hit stop loss and breaks this gold spot, I would just buy again. And that's all I got. GJ, I ain't gonna lie, it's about to hit. It's about to hit. Low key, you can buy. I don't like this stop loss because it's really a little bit lower. Let's go to let's see 5 minutes. Yeah, you can buy. I wouldn't want to. I might. I might on my this is what I'm gonna do. If it comes here and it comes a little bit down, I might buy. Like, cause it just hit. It's about to hit. Cause I could wake up. I'll probably wake up to all the profits. Let me see GJ. I don't mind entering GJ around this time. I really like this entry better, but I'll take this one if it did come. I'll take this one. Let's go to GJ. Market, GJ. Risk, market, buy. Now it's just flying up. What I said, sell point. And then my TP will be somewhere. Really, my TP will be like somewhere back up here. I don't mind. I don't mind either of these ones. I really like the 15-minute one though. But if I lose, I don't give a fuck. It's a way I could go break even. If it comes up, if it comes so down like right here and barely hit stop loss, I'll probably take out. But I like this. I like this. Don't get me wrong. I like this. I like both of them. I really do like both of them because it can just come here and just wake up. And this could be an entry. But I just don't like this entry because look, now that's a 3R. I don't want a 3R. But on a 5-minute, it can go up. On a 15-minute, I like the 5-minute structure better, but 15-minute is up. But overall, this is buys. I feel like it's just about to break. It's not really. It's not really. It's not really breaking. Let's go to 4-hour. Yeah, it's breaking out of this zone. I think it wants to shoot up real quick, come back down. Let it shoot up. Yes, I like the shoot up. So you see, it comes out. It could be a overall, like I said, overall is a buy. You don't really want to trade against the trend. Overall, it's really buys. It comes down. Granted, this is granted, you probably would have tried to still buy here. You would have lost. Boom. Tried to sell when it kept selling. Never really worked. Like I said, you like the trend way more when it's on a buys. So as of right now, I have gold looking beautiful, bro. Everything, the market is really looking beautiful. This is the last chance for me. Nas, I'm just not missing it. Nas, I'm in. Anything get past here, I'm in. GJ, I'ma be in. Gold, I'm just waiting for it to drop or just keep going up. Now, could look at a couple of stocks, and I'll probably be done for today. But I feel a little bit more better. Nvidia would have bought this. I still would have probably been in some buys, but another buy I'll take. I'm not gonna hold you. If Nvidia comes back up here, I'll buy again. I'm not gonna hold. If Nvidia comes like somewhere right here, I'll buy again. But yeah, Nvidia. Let me see. Tesla, yeah, because everything I'm thinking about now is yeah, so GJ just hit that alert. Boom. We're gonna see what GJ does. Either gonna hit stop loss quick or just keep flying up. That's all I care about right now. Um, nah, what was I looking at? Yeah, everything is looking bad right now for me. Like like Microsoft, I said I would have bought here yesterday. But to see, yeah, I said I would have bought here yesterday. It came up to here. There's an early entry, but Microsoft looking clean. This is a good entry. I would have bought right here. I said this yesterday. Microsoft looked nice for a buy. This is an early buy too. Man, I feel you, man. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. The last 2 weeks I ain't make shit. So I feel you. Like the market ain't really. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe because it was retracing, it just won't looking nice, bro. It just won't. The market won't really look. The gold haven't looked nice. We thought gold was selling. I tried to sell with gold, it ain't hit. Nas and 30 was selling. You know you don't want Nas and 30 to sell. It won't looking nice. Stocks was dropping. You just don't like it. You just don't really like it when it's dropping. And I don't know. And it's just not a clean drop. Maybe it was just retracement. Like we had to wait like 2 weeks, and then now the market is coming back up for like 30 Nas. So I feel more comfortable buying. I just do. But Microsoft looking good. But you gonna make that jump back because the market it looked like it's starting to go up. Let's see Amazon. Like Amazon, look what I said. I said I would have bought and I would have just kept holding. You feel me? But you gonna make that jump back. Hood. I said I would have bought Hood today because it gave me alert. Okay. I would have bought Hood right here. I swear, I'm not even holding you. Because it alerted me. It alerted me on my phone. I would have bought Hood right here. And I don't. This is hard. I don't know if I would have made my stop. Maybe I would have made and put this right here. I would have. That's my alert. I made an alert to me, and that's what it did. So I would have did this. Either I would have just entered right here and put the stop loss like somewhere right here. Yeah, I would have did something like this with Hood because it did alerted me. I just don't trade stocks. Well, that's gonna change next year. This, like I said, I'm still waiting till it comes right here. So I wouldn't have entered this until it hits right here. And I think it is gonna hit right here. I just moved the stop loss a little bit lower because look, it's not breaking. If this don't break and it just breaks up, I'm gonna just move the stop loss a little low. Facts. You gonna make this money back. Gonna make the money back. Damn. What was I just on? What else I looked at? Damn, I never looked at Disney in them. Damn, Disney doing good like that? Disney, let me hold up. Disney? Oh no, it's not. I was looking at the 5 minute. Say Disney doing good like that? Meta, I don't like how Meta look. I'm sorry. I just don't like Meta. It looks nasty. Like I just want to trade this. I'm not trading Meta. Maybe. Nah, I just wouldn't trade Meta. Unless the only time I trade Meta, if you're a long-term trader, I'll buy Meta and just hold it. Like that's the only way I trade Meta right now. If you buy Meta now and hold it, if you don't give a fuck about structure, buy Meta now and just hold it. But I don't like how Meta looks right now. I just don't. Once it passed broke here, I never liked how Meta looked. Meta just looked nasty once it started selling. Unless you just want to buy and hold for a year or two. But I feel like it could go lower though. Google, Google is always doing this thing. Um, Netflix. Uh, I don't really like how Netflix look, but give or take, I don't like how Netflix look. But we like if it's something don't look. The only thing I like about stocks, if something don't look good, you can just move on to a different. There's so much different stocks you could trade. Like I wouldn't trade Meta right now. I maybe trade Tesla. Tesla still looks okay. Like Nvidia still looks okay to trade. To me, that uh, it's just certain stuff that just look okay to trade. Like Meta doesn't look okay. Let's see this one. This still looks okay to trade because it's still in the bullish momentum. Like if I entered this, maybe right here, somewhere like right here. Stop loss somewhere right here. TP somewhere like right here. Nice 3R. I'll do something like that. This looks okay, so I'll put like a green. Let's see. I'll put like a green. Let's put like a little green. Amazon. If you just up right now, like if Amazon, if you up right now, just hold it. It's like it's not good to trade. It's not good to trade right now. I ain't gonna lie. But if you're holding, just hold. That's it. That's what I'll do with Amazon. Google, like we just looked at Google. Anything else I can just look at if anyone want to comment, but anything else, just look. You can find about five pairs to trade of stocks right now. Like 5 decent good pairs. Not even like it might go up. Like I'm not like Meta. I'm not saying Meta is not going up. I'm just saying I just don't like structure right now. I don't like how it's looking. It's just looking nasty to me. But if you want to buy it, it's just it's kind of like a okay, I know Meta is gonna go up, so I'm gonna just buy now. That's one of them buys right now with Meta for me. Look, AMD would have been look, we would have bought right here. You could have just hold. Look how much that went up. Wah come on. Did we look at Tesla? Yeah, Tesla. And then Tesla, yeah, Tesla is also clean. Tesla is still good buys. And yeah, it's so easy. So you just wait. Hood. I would have bought today. Would have bought down here today. Would have bought right here today. And then just hold. This whole like sometimes it don't work. Like I said, I would have lost this one, but granted, we come back here, break structure here, comes back down. Granted, you could have answered so much times right here. Boom, comes here, buy here, stop loss here. Wouldn't never even hit stop loss. So boom, comes back up. You could have bought another one, easy, and buy another one, easy, because it's not breaking below. Hymns and hymns. And now after that, I'm just looking at random stocks. But as you can see, it's just going up. Boom, goes high, comes here. Could have bought somewhere like right here. Once it goes back above, it breaks structure, comes back down, bought here, hold to here. Boom, boom, come here, boom. It's not breaking structure here. Even if it does, let it come back up. Once it breaks structure off here, off the 4 hour, could buy again. It's so simple. It's just a patient thing with the market. I swear. Most people who make money off the market is very patient. Like the last 2 weeks, I couldn't make nothing because the market just won't show me what I wanted to see. It's like it's at the point you a day trader. Maybe if you're a day trader, but it's just I don't like day trading no more. I just honestly don't. It just doesn't make sense to me no more. It does, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just not that good at it. But I'd rather just long term it because I know gold is always going up. I know US 30 is always going up. I know Tesla is gonna go up. I know yes, we could have a bad year, but overall, if you look at the last 20 years, the market continuously goes up. So I'ma just buy when it dips. Like, look, like let's check out Nas. Nas continuously go up. It dipped, I buy. I dip, it buy. I dip, I buy. I dip, I buy. I dip, I buy. That's it. And then imagine if I just held this. I would have been holding this for 3 months, and I would have been all the way up here, going back to new highs. So yeah. So that's why I'm saying I'm buying here and I'm just holding. I'm a hold probably till December till I make a little 2,000. I don't know. I'm gonna just hold till it breaks highs and keep going. Because if once it breaks highs, it's gonna keep going. Look how it just consistently goes up. It just consistently goes up. Consistently goes up. But granted, we have bad years. Like we have a bad month. Boom, 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 boom. For the month of here. That'd be bad. But imagine if you just once it broke here, it comes back. It came back, and look, boom, buy right here again. Boom. Oh my gosh, it came back here, but it's not breaking here. Buy here again. Boom, 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 boom. It's simple. Like market is so easy. It's just we get so confused with the money. Like that's why sometimes I sit back and be like, damn, why I keep fucking, why I'm losing, why I'm going break even. Cause look, on gold, I'm not even really supposed to sell. I'm just supposed to wait my fucking ass and just be patient. I'm trying to sell all of this. Granted, this is just a retracement for this to go back up to right here. That's all it is. That's all it is. Granted, you're not supposed. Granted, I was still buying though. And granted, I still made more money off this buy than anything I sold here. I never made money. I just kept going break even, break even, break even, break even, break even. Because overall, it's in the buy, it's in a bullish trend. Because even if I go break even here, I went 4R before. All right, let me take profits. But I'm coming here, I'm getting like a 2R. I'm like, okay, let me close 3R, let me close that break even. I'll probably take profits a little later if it hit this market structure, and it never does. It just never do. Because overall, the trend is always going to be more stronger to the buy because overall, look, it's a buy. Overall, it's a buy. That's all it is. It just wanted to retrace. It's a tired. It went up, come back down. Let's go back up again. You feel me? This and then this. I don't know what the hell this is going to do. Hopefully, it goes up, or I'm gonna just lose. I like I said, I like these two. I probably want to enter this one. If I just lose this one, I'm gonna just lose. Don't really like this stop loss in all honesty. I could have just pushed it to like right here. In all honesty, I could have. Because it's still a good RR, but I just feel like it shouldn't come all the way down there. I just feel it shouldn't. Like if it comes all the way down there, I rather would have just entered like this one. But I can't tell the market what they're doing to do. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Um, yeah, I'm just being patient. Even with GJ, I could have GJ breakout. Because look, even GJ, I could still be a little bit more patient than entering. Why? Because it can. This is still boom, 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 breakout. Like GJ, I could have bought right here. This would have been patient. Long term, look, comes here. Granted, it has to come back up because anything above here, look, anything above here, boom, it's coming back right here. I could have just waited here when it came here, bought here, came here. It broke out of this structure. So I'm trying to buy off the broke out structure. So that's why I'm buying now. I'm not even saying this is the A plus. It's a good setup. So I won't mind losing this one. But look how it look. It break this in the structure, but we know overall is a buy. So I let it come back here. But anything above here, it's gonna come back to here. And then once it came back to here, broke this structure, came back to here. We could have bought right here. Boom, boom. It gets tired. It just want to play around a little bit, comes back up. That's it. because it's breaking this. It's breaking out. Once it breaks out here, maybe comes back, retrace, buy again, boom. That's it. So go waiting for it to come back down. We could play around, let it buy. Nas breaks here, I'm buying. Boom. Simple. US 30, wait. That's it. Just wait. Just wait. Unless you're a day trader, but I'm not day trading. But other than that, that's all I got for today. My TikTok, I try to go live, but they say I need to be 30 days active. I swear TikTok won't like that, bro. I used to go live in like 4 days. I thought it was like 7 days, but I don't know. I gotta appeal the joint. I know I'm gonna get motion on TikTok though. Because YouTube, I ain't getting no motion. I stream every day. I got 107 subscribers though. 107 subscribers. It's still gonna work out. I got big plans for next year. Most likely next year. I'm not in no rush. I'm not no greedy nigga. Be like, I want 1 million subscribers. Hopefully next year we could hit 1,000. Hopefully next year the video is gonna be coming soon. Money gonna be coming soon. Hopefully I can hit 1,000. 1,000 subscribers next year. We hit 100. That's cool. We at 107. Hopefully we could hit 1,000. Hopefully we get more people in the live. Hopefully we could, build the community, discords and stuff like that. And I could really be locked in it, man, and show my game. But anything else, man, I felt good. I didn't really feel in the best mood yesterday. Market just won't doing what I do, but I just like how the market is moving now. I feel like I got one more shot before the year is over, so I could just hold. I'm gonna just hold and then do what I do. Yeah, it do be like that, man. But you gonna make that 10K back, man. I'm gonna make my 4 or 5 bands on my personal, get up to 4 or 5 bands, and I'm gonna trade. Yeah, I'm gonna just do what I gotta do, man. But I don't like. Sometimes I go live Monday through Thursday every day. I feel like I need to go live one more time, maybe Sunday, because I feel like when I come back live, it be so long. It be so long, but sometimes I be trying to rest. But I don't want to promise something I'm not going to do. But I might have to go live one, maybe not Friday, but maybe a Sunday, just to talk about my ideas in the market. I'm gonna go live Sunday. I never went live Sunday, but I'm gonna go live Sunday because I feel like I'd be out of the market too long or just not looking at the charts. But I'm gonna go live Sunday. Is my last live till Sunday. I promise I'll do it Sunday though. Cause yeah, I just be feeling like I'm away from too long. But we gonna see GJ. Hopefully it goes work. If it don't. But I like Nas, so I'll be all right. All right, my boy.